Hey there, health-conscious souls. Welcome back to Mindful Information. And today, we're bringing you a refreshing lineup of summer drinks that not only quench your thirst, but also promote good health and wellness. As the temperatures rise, it's essential to stay hydrated while giving your immune system a boost and taming inflammation. So, let's dive into these 8 fantastic and flavorful anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting summer drinks that will keep you feeling refreshed and revitalized all season long. Drink 1 Turmeric Sunshine Cooler. First up, we have the Turmeric Sunshine Cooler. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is renowned for its potent anti-inflammatory properties. Combine a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of black pepper for better absorption, and a touch of honey for natural sweetness. Mix it into chilled water for a vibrant and refreshing elixir that soothes inflammation and gives your immune system a sunny boost. Drink 2 Berry Bliss Infusion. Next on the list is the Berry Bliss Infusion. Berries are loaded with antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress and support your immune system. Take a handful of mixed berries like strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries, and muddle them in a glass. Add fresh mint leaves and fill the glass with cold water. Let it infuse for a few minutes, creating a delightful and rejuvenating berry concoction that's both flavorful and beneficial. Drink 3 Cooling Cucumber Mint Splash. Beat the summer heat with our Cooling Cucumber Mint Splash. Cucumbers are known for their hydrating and anti-inflammatory properties. Simply slice a cucumber and add it to a pitcher of water along with a handful of fresh mint leaves. Let it chill in the fridge for a few hours to allow the flavors to meld together. This refreshing drink not only keeps you cool, but also supports your overall well-being. Drink 4 Zesty Citrus Ginger Refresher. Get ready for a zingy experience with our Zesty Citrus Ginger Refresher. Citrus fruits like oranges and lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a robust immune system. Grate some fresh ginger and combine it with the juice of citrus fruits in a jug of cold water. This tangy blend not only adds a burst of flavor but also provides a revitalizing boost to your health. Drink 5 Pineapple Turmeric Elixir. Our Pineapple Turmeric Elixir is a tropical treat that's rich in anti-inflammatory goodness. Blend fresh pineapple chunks with a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a splash of coconut water, and a dash of cayenne pepper for a gentle kick. This exotic elixir not only satisfies your taste buds but also supports your body's natural defense mechanisms. Drink 6 Green Tea with Lemon and Honey. Green tea is a superstar when it comes to antioxidants and soothing properties. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and then add a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of honey. This classic combination not only refreshes your palate, but also aids in reducing inflammation and strengthening your immune system. Drink 7 Watermelon Basil Splash. Revitalize your senses with the Watermelon Basil Splash. Watermelon is not only hydrating, but also contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant. Dice up some watermelon and toss in a few fresh basil leaves. Muddle them gently to release the flavors and aromas. Top it off with chilled water for a delightful fusion that supports your health and well-being. Drink 8 Minty Aloe Vera Elixir. Last but not least, we have the Minty Aloe Vera Elixir. Aloe vera is known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Blend fresh aloe vera gel with a handful of mint leaves and a splash of coconut water. Strain the mixture and pour it into a glass of ice-cold water. This soothing elixir is a perfect way to wrap up our refreshing lineup of summer drinks. And there you have it, 8 invigorating and health-enhancing summer drinks that not only quench your thirst, but also provide a natural boost to your immune system and help tame inflammation. Remember, staying hydrated and making mindful choices about what you consume can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. If you enjoyed these drink ideas, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Mindful Information for more wellness tips, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Cheers to a hydrated and vibrant summer ahead. Stay well, and until next time, take care.